Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're sharing some awesome kitchen organization ideas that will transform your space into a functional and decluttered haven. Let's get started. Our first tip is to maximize your cabinet space by using stackable organizers. These handy tools allow you to take advantage of vertical space and neatly store items like plates, bowls, and mugs. This will not only keep your cabinets tidy, but it makes it easier to find what you want. Next, let's talk about drawer dividers. They're a game changer when it comes to organizing tools, equipment, and other small items. By using dividers, you can create designated sections for different categories, making it hard to find what you're looking for. Plus, it eliminates the dreaded drawer clutter. When it comes to pantry organization, clear storage containers are a must. These transparent containers allow you to see the contents at a glance, making meal prep and grocery shopping a breeze. They're perfect for storing dry goods like pasta, cereal, and more. And snacks. Remember to label them for extra convenience. Now, let's tackle the refrigerator. One simple trick is to use clear plastic bins to group together similar items like spices, dairy products, and beverages. This not only keeps everything organized, but also prevents spills and saves you time. Ingredients looking for. Don't forget to check regularly for expired items. To optimize counter space, consider installing a pegboard or hanging rack. These versatile solutions allow